we have discussed about stories versus plays. Right? I have taken story, the magic spell, that is in the volume 1, and I told you how to convert that story into a play. Right? So today we'll be doing LP3, that is LP2 and LP3 regarding block 9, LP2 and LP3. Open your worksheet. LP2 is about lines of dialogue. Lines of dialogue, that is LP2. Right. So first thing is, what is dialogue? Yes, the line which is said by the character, which is there in the quotation mark. For example, I have written here, this car is not environment friendly. I have taken two sentences from the lesson, the magic spell. Okay, in that one, this line is there, right? Said who said this line? Yes, these lines are said by Ammu. This is nothing but a dialogue. Yes, when we want to convert this dialogue into a play, so this is there in the story, right? It is there in the story. So when we want to convert it into a play, how to convert? Yes, in the play, each line should start with the character name. So we can see here, it is said by Ammu. First we can write Ammu, colon. Then what she said? This car is not environment friendly. This car is not environment friendly. Right. So this is how we can convert the story into a play. And there is a second sentence called it's a magic spell. Say Anu. How to convert this? Yes, Anu, colon, it's a magic spell. It's a magic spell. Right, said by Anu. So, by this we came to know when a story is to convert into a play, first we have to remove a quotation mark as well as comma and the words like say. Right? So we have not used these words here. Ammu, this car is not environment friendly. We have used colon, and Anu, colon, it's a magic spell. So this is how we have to write the story into a play. Okay? So while writing the play, we have to first include, while writing the play, we have to add a character name, colon, and dialogue said by the character. Now open your worksheet, page number 6. First one is, read the story, underline the sentence spoken by character. I told you the words or the sentence which is there in the quotation mark is usually said by character. So first is, Avi walked into the dark room. The lights went on quickly. Suddenly, many voices shouted, "Surprise!" All his friends were there, and so was his birthday cake. "Where were you?" asked his mother. We were so worried," said his father. "Here, cut the cake fast," said Grandma. She was really hungry. Avi smiled. "Thanks everyone," he said happily. He knew this was going to be the best birthday ever. So, students, the words like surprise, underline surprise, and the sentence, where were you? Underline the sentence, where were you? And do the remaining things. Okay? Then write a title for this story. So, what title can you write for this? For example, Avi's birthday. Then write the lines spoken by the character as a script of the play. So script, in this way only you have to write. They have mentioned this in the form of story. You have to write it in this way. Okay, example I am giving. Mother, colon, where were you? So in this way write a play. Then third question is add 2 more lines of dialogue to complete the scene. So you have to write 2 more dialogues here. They have given some dialogues here. Add 2 more lines. For example, Avi, colon, thanks everyone. Then father, colon, let's eat cake. It looks very delicious. So this is how we can write. Correct? So next, S3 is about setting and character feeling. LB3 is setting and character feeling. Setting and character feeling. So in this S3 we'll come to know how to write a play. First one is, in the play we can see a scene description, right? What is scene description? Yes, screen description tells us about the setting. Setting means where the story takes place, correct? And we can see here one more thing, that is stage direction in the play. What is stage direction? Yes, stage direction tells us about how actors should act and action, how to do a action or a speak. Okay, so these 2 things we can see in the play. Then whenever you are writing a play, for example, I have taken only 2 sentences here, but whenever you are writing a play, first thing is, in the first paragraph you should introduce a scene description. Means where that story is taking place or where that scene is taking place. Then come to our dialogues. So dialogues means these things. Second one is you have to add dialogues. Then later on you have to add a stage directions. See, this car is not environment friendly. So what stage direction can we add? Feeling sad. Right? So whenever you are adding this stage directions, you should mention it in the bracket, feeling sad, which shows actors should feel sad and say this sentence. Right? So whenever you are writing a play, later on you can add after dialogues, you can add a stage directions. Okay, open your worksheet. Yes, 3. The setting and character feeling. Read the story, underline the lines that are spoken by characters, draw a box around the words that describe what characters do and how characters speak. Students, listen, I will not go in detail, just I will tell the answer now. Okay, before we, in the second paragraph, underline, before we begin our fast, I think we should get all the bananas we'll eat afterwards ready in a big pile. So underline this. Advise the old monkey chief. So box it, because the monkey chief is acting this, so box this line. Okay, the same way continue the remaining things. Describe the setting of the story in your own words. They have given story here, so you should describe it in your own way. So how to describe? The story happens in a jungle. There are many monkeys and it is a hot day. They are sitting under a banana tree. Right? So this is how you can describe. Then third question is, describe how each monkey speaks and acts below. I am giving you 2 examples and remaining 2 you have to do. First one is chief. Gives advice and tells others what to do. Then second one is chief's wife. So speaks calmly and divides banana among monkeys. Okay, read the